Plastics are a really phenomenal material. They're super light, they're super strong, they allow us to do more with less. They really enable the modern lifestyle that we enjoy. However, the one thing that hasn't been figured out about plastics is their end of life. What do we do with these materials when they're no longer needed or no longer wanted for their primary purpose? We're pursuing a new circular economy initiative at our Pennsylvania Chemicals facility. The initiative involves the use of a new technology that utilizes plastic waste to develop a special road additive that both strengthens and extends the life of traditional road surfaces made from asphalt.
On the Pennsylvania Chemicals site, 6 miles of roads will be paved with this polymer modifier. We will have diverted from landfill the equivalent of 3 million plastic grocery bags.
This is a really important initiative. This is the largest commercial use of plastic in asphalt anywhere in North America.
This is the first time that Shell has ever been looking into using this material. We would need to come up with a comprehensive qualification program to demonstrate the durability of this material, including lab testing and also field test. When we got our lab test results, we realized the rotting resistance performance was enhanced, but we have some uncertainty about the crack resistance. Then we decided to do this field test.
So we actually took this material and we laid 2 strips of it. We laid 1 strip of the green matcha material next to 1 strip of conventional asphalt to compare their performance side by side. And so we saw how it actually performed during the heavy winter months in Pennsylvania, subject to construction vehicle crossing and lots of wear and tear. And we determined that it performed as good, if not better, than the conventional material that was laid down next to it.
When we look at what Shell, Linde, Green Mantra are doing here, it's really taking this innovative new technology and trialing it and putting it out there for the rest of the world to see how it works and working together to validate this.
But the idea is that one day, asphalt roads and surfaces all over the world could utilize this technology.
The impact that it could potentially make on plastic going into landfills is absolutely massive.
When you think about asphalt and the fact that it's used all over the world in roads, and you think about plastic that's available anywhere in the world in its post-use form, it emphasizes the fact that this is not only scalable, but it is a good solution for society.
This is just a start. It's in its early stages. There's a long way to go with this technology and this process, but we have to start somewhere in order to change.